Hey everyone, today I'm breaking down a sneaky cyber attack involving DarkGate Malware. Think of this like a true crime documentary for your computer. So let's dive right into it. Our victim gets bombarded with thousands of emails. Then she receives a Microsoft Teams call from someone pretending to be from a client company. They try to get her to install Microsoft Remote Support, but that fails. So they convince her to download AnyDesk, a remote access tool, instead. This impersonation trick is called vishing voice phishing. As soon as AnyDesk is downloaded, it runs with special privileges, basically giving the attacker control. They use a sneaky technique called DLL sideloading to run malicious code disguised as a harmless file, safestore.dll. This pops up a fake login form. Even if the victim doesn't enter anything, the malware is already working in the background, collecting system info. Another file, systemcert.exe, creates a malicious script called script.a3x and autoit3.x. This script is like the attacker's main tool. It hides itself and injects into other programs like Microsoft updatecore.exe, to avoid detection. The malware starts gathering more intel, the computer's domain, antivirus software installed, etc. It creates random files in different places to stay hidden. The infected Microsoft updatecore.exe connects to the attacker's command and control server. This is how the attacker gives instructions to the malware. A VB script is then run, which downloads and executes even more malicious code. A PowerShell command downloads a zip file containing the main DarkGate payload. This is extracted and executed, further infecting the system. More files are created, including copies of the malware likely for backup. The malware sets up camp by creating files and registry entries for persistence. This means it will automatically start up even if the computer is restarted. Key logs, encrypted records of everything typed, are also saved. Luckily, in this case, the attack was stopped before the attacker could steal any data. No exfiltration activity was found. So that's how DarkGate works, step by step. Remember, staying safe online means being cautious about suspicious emails, links, and especially unexpected calls asking for access to your computer. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there.